you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Thomas Tunambuna for the question. Of course, the Fiji Trade Policy Framework is approaching its expiry. The last one was prepared by the former government from the 2015 to 2025. And so obviously the plans are afoot to review it for its effectiveness, its impact, provide recommendations for future trade policies that will ensure that we continue to drive Fiji's economy, its development, and also encourage more trading relations or healthy trading relations. The Ministry for Trade, sir, will be working with the Australian government to develop the new trade policy. And I guess given what we're seeing in the economy and the myriad of significant opportunities that are approaching Fiji, and of course underpinned by the global dynamics that continue to happen, technological advancements, and of course climate change, the next trade policy will be quite critical. And when I say exciting things coming at us, for example, the Google investment will create a massive surge in ICT development in Fiji. And we're seeing some of it already. Had a meeting at 8:30 last night with someone from the UK. That's the type of interest that's being generated just in the last few months. Commercial agriculture, sir, you've got Fiji Water in the country looking at commercial agriculture, serious commercial agriculture. There are a few others that are coming through. And, these are the types of exciting opportunities that are coming. So there's starting to emerge some serious interest in commercial aquaculture, sir. These are the things that the trade policy needs to address. Some of the things that will be key with the new trade policy framework will be, of course, the newly launched National Development Plan, sir. The white paper that was launched by the Foreign Policy White Paper, launched by the Honourable Prime Minister recently. Of course, we'll ensure that private sector is comprehensively consulted. We feel that private sector needs to be at the center of any of these initiatives. And also looking at not only the current economic architecture, sir, but also when those industries that are very successful for us at the moment, but also looking at new industries. There's a question on medicinal cannabis coming up, sir, soon. Probably answer it in the next session. But these are the types of things that are happening. And of course, as expected, need to account for the relevant laws, regulations, and particularly international agreements that we need to look at. For example, we've had a bit of a brief discussion on PESA, so hopefully that'll come through in the next trade policy. There is AIPA, which is just initialed for execution. So how does that translate into the trade policy? And also looking at some of the other trading destinations. I think we all agree that we have not really looked at Southeast Asia in any close detail. Southeast Asia, sir, has 750 million humans or souls. So large market there. And of course, we would have all noticed that the UAE and Saudi are starting to look at the Pacific. So these are some of the things that we'll probably have to look at in terms of the policy. The Indo-Pacific Economic Framework, which is the whole of this House is now aware of. That will continue to be part of the policy, and how do we use that to maximize our opportunities. And of course, it's always important that in these policies we ensure that inclusivity is factored in, youth, women, civil society, and ensuring that that resourcing requirements are identified as well to ensure that the policy is well articulated, sir. So basically, sir, the plan is to table the policy next year at some point. Once it's ready for tabulation, we have a whole year next year. But it should be, in my view, sir, quite an exciting document given the type of things we are seeing emerge in our economy. And it certainly augurs well for how we try and continue to ensure that we diversify the Fijian economy and also attract, of course, attract investment as well to our shores. Thank you, sir.
Naka.